The Tetris Effect. Everyone has spent at least a few hours playing Tetris, but what happens if you play it for too long? Do you get square eyes? Well, sort of. If you've ever looked into a bright light, you'll know that this leaves an after image on your retina, which you can see when you blink. Look at this white square for 10 seconds, and then blink. Okay, now blink. The Tetris effect is similar to that after image, the difference being that the after image is present in your brain. You may be more familiar with this effect than you realise. Have you ever had a song stuck in your head? That's the Tetris effect. The specific example of music being stuck in one's head is called earworm. The Tetris effect is not limited to people playing Tetris or even other video games. In fact, it is applicable to any physical or mental activity experienced over extended periods of time. A common symptom of the Tetris effect is hypnagogic imagery approaching and during sleep. Specific examples include a study by Snitch et al., wherein participants played Tetris for extended periods of time, 7 hours over 3 days. Upon falling asleep, the participants claimed to have seen the falling blocks from Tetris. The experimental group of this study were people with amnesia, with extensive bilateral medial temporal lobe damage. Interestingly, these participants could not remember playing the game, but they experienced the effect and hypnagogic imagery all the same. People afflicted with the Tetris effect often report increased thoughts about the activity that they have spent a long time doing, and even report to have thinking patterns around their activity. For example, to return to the example of Tetris, the individual afflicted may report seeing tiles on a floor as shapes from the game. If you've enjoyed this Psych Yogi video, why not subscribe to keep up with all the latest videos?